Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error on your iPhone. So if you have error with your App Store, so if App Store not working in your iOS 14, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just close your app and just open it again. So this is the first thing you can also try. Another thing you can try is just restart your phone. So just go to the settings, just open the settings, go to the general, just scroll down to shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if you still have this issue, so another way you can also try, um, check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. And also you can try to restart your Wi-Fi router. So just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on cellular data and just use cellular data for App Store. And another thing you need to check is just go to the general, and in the general you need to tap on software update and just check if you have available updates. If you have it, just download and install it on your phone. So here you can see download and install, and just wait until it will successfully download it and install these updates on your iPhone. So if you still have this issue, just try to make force restart on your phone. So just tap on high volume button, then after on low volume button, and just tap and hold on power button until you will see here a black screen and after Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So this is a way how you can also fix it, but you need to know that I tell you an example of iPhone X how you can make force restart, and iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. If you have another models of iPhone, you just need to find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart on your device. So just try, and if you still have this problem, so the latest way you can also try, just go to the general again, and in the general just scroll down to reset, just open reset and just tap on reset all settings. So this is the latest way you can try. I hope one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.